Hi everyone, my name is Paulo and this is BelgoTours.
Today, I will show you the Grand Place of Brussels, without doubt, one of the most beautiful squares in the world. Recognized as a World Heritage by UNESCO in 1998, it represented since the 12th century the heart of the city for several of the most important dynasties in Europe. The Grand Place was not only a very popular center, but also the scene of important historical events. Some call it the theater of the city's history. The Omnigang was held here in 1549 in honor of Charles V, Emperor of the Holy Roman Empire, and it's celebrated every year. The corporations, guilds and nobility paraded in front of the emperor, enhancing its greatness. No European society was more prosperous at that time than Brussels and its provinces. However, their power was based largely on tyranny and on subjugating other peoples and their beliefs. Years later, Brussels will become the battleground where world control is decided. At the end of the 17th century, the French king Louis XIV ordered the bombing of the Grand Place of Brussels, which was almost completely burned down. However, the proud merchants decided to rebuild their homes in record time. Today, it displays a festival of styles ranging from Gothic to Baroque to Classical. A great variety that reflect the society of the time. Also, remarkable characters lived in its wonderful buildings. One of them, Victor Hugo, who arrives in Brussels escaping from France and will live in this house.
Here, Karl Marx will spend whole afternoon drinking beers and writing the famous Communist Manifesto.
The reason why he will be later expelled from the kingdom. But that's all part of the story. Today, the Grand Place represents the center of the city's cultural life and celebrations. It is also the place where local traders resist the threat of various multinationals to offer us the most authentic local products. To know more about this beautiful square and the secret stories hidden behind these amazing facades, book now on our website and live the experience yourself with BelgoTours.